At all times. Do not open the doors or play with the door latches while we are on the train journey. We will open the doors for you on the platform. You can pull down the blinds or let them up, but please don't let them be played with.
The bay is very because I'm old, if I want ice cream, you need the observatory tour. Perfect, you're in the right place. Do come on in, everyone, if you're here for the tour. Gather around the top of the stairs here, move right through. I'll finish off the commentary, I'll set you free, and you'll have 30 more minutes to really explore. Dark. We rely mostly on natural light in the observatory. It gives you the best viewing and the natural colours, but it's an overcast day. And we exported mainly timber. And over the years, as ships got bigger, the jetty was extended out, eventually reaching the 1.8 kilometres that it is today. But ships actually outgrew the port of Busselton because even though it's 1.8 kilometres out to sea, the water's only 8 metres deep. It's really shallow. So when that happened, the government closed the port down. They sent all the ships off to Bunbury and they had no plans to maintain our jetty. In fact, they were going to demolish it. The people of Busselton weren't very happy about that. I can tell you, we didn't want to lose what is the heart of our town, and we didn't want to lose, the history and heritage of our region. So the people of Busselton got together and took over control from the government. Let's go down. The building was built not here in the water, but on land up in Fremantle in the shipyards. It's a big airspace, as you can see. It floats. Movement. Now we can see the fish there, of course. There's lots of herring around at the moment. And with this high tide, they're up here at the intertidal zone. That's actually a little strange for us to see them up here. Normally we'd see them next level down. But you see an oxygenated area because you can imagine when it waves is crashing around, if it hits the piles of our jetty, bubbles are formed. The bubbles from the air above contain oxygen. Let's go down to this next level. This one's a great window, and I think it's time to see the little reef fish. And it's a great opportunity for an up-close look at these corals and sponges, these animals that actually make up the reef itself. Now the sea floor, which is where we are now, a big school of tarwine and snapping.
C'è la congedazione da poco parlare.